Assalamu alaikum, ahlan wa sahlan, wa marhaban bikum. Hi everyone. In our previous lesson we learned past tense in Arabic, and in this lesson we are going to learn المضارع, present tense, inshallah. الفعل المضارع, present or imperfect tense. The present tense verb الفعل المضارع describes actions or events that are ongoing. Present tense verbs are conjugated using prefixes and suffixes. Like the past tense, these conjugations reflect three aspects of the verb's subject: person, gender, and plurality. The pattern يفعل, he does, or he is doing, or he will do, is used as a model for the active voice of the present tense verb. It includes present simple, present continuous tense, and future tense. The pattern فعل and يفعل. The middle letter gets كسرة فعل, and in present tense it gets فتحة. كسرة becomes فتحة in present tense. Examples: شرب يشرب, to drink. سمع يسمع, to hear. فرح يفرح, to be happy. علم يعلم, to know. And the pattern فعل يفعل, the middle letter gets ضمة and it still gets ضمة in present tense. Examples: حسن يحسن, to be good. بعد يبعد, to be far away. كرم يكرم, to be generous. ضعف يضعف, to be weak. And the pattern فعل, the middle letter gets فتحة in this pattern, and it can be فتحة, كسرة, or ضمة in present tense. فعل يفعل, or يفعل, or يفعل. There is no any pattern or format to explain this. We need to refer to the dictionary. Examples: فتح يفتح, to open. ذهب يذهب, to go. These two verbs get فتحة. جلس يجلس, to sit. ضرب يضرب, to hit, and these two get كسرة. يضرب and يجلس. كتب يكتب, to write. نصر ينصر, to help. دخل يدخل, to enter. نظر ينظر, to look. As we said, there's no any pattern or way to explain why they get فتحة or كسرة or ضمة. We need to memorize and look at the dictionary. Now let's learn the conjugation of the verb in present tense. الغائب, third person. يفعل, he does. يفعلان, they do, dual. يفعلون, they do, plural. And these are masculine, مذكر. تفعل, she does. تفعلان, they do, dual. And يفعلن, they do, plural. And these are feminine, مؤنث. المخاطب or الحاضر, second person. تفعل, you do, singular. تفعلان, you do, dual. تفعلون, you do, plural, masculine or مذكر. تفعلين, you do, singular. تفعلان, you do, dual. And تفعلن, you do, plural. And these are feminine, مؤنث. المتكلم, first person. أفعل I do. نفعل we do. Dual and plural. And these are used for masculine, feminine or مذكر مؤنث together. Let's remember our pronouns هو هما هم هي هما هن أنت أنتما أنتم أنتِ أنتما أنتن أنا نحن. كتب he wrote كتب they wrote dual. كتبوا they wrote plural. كتبت she wrote كتبتا they wrote dual for feminine. كتبنا they wrote plural for feminine. كتبت you wrote singular. كتبتما you wrote dual and كتبتم you wrote plural. These are masculine مذكر. كتبتي you wrote singular feminine. كتبتما you wrote dual for masculine and feminine. كتبتن you wrote plural feminine. كتبت I wrote feminine and masculine. كتبنا we wrote feminine and masculine dual and plural. Now let's learn what prefixes and suffixes they get in present tense. هو هما هم get ya. هي and huma for feminine get ta and hunna gets ya. Anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, they all get ta. Second person all get ta. Ana gets a and nahnu gets na. And as for the suffixes, huwa is the root verb, simple verb, doesn't get any suffix. Huma gets alif nun. Hum gets waw nun. Hiya doesn't get any suffix. Huma gets alif nun. Hunna gets nun with fatha. Anta doesn't get any suffix. Antuma gets alif nun. Antum gets waw nun. Anti gets ya nun. Antuma gets alif nun. Antunna gets nun only, and ana and nahnu don't get any suffix. Now let's read them in present tense. يكتب he writes. يكتبان they write dual. يكتبون they write plural. تكتب she writes. تكتبان they write dual. يكتبن they write plural. تكتب you write singular. تكتبان you write dual. تكتبون you write plural. تكتبين you write singular. تكتبان you write dual. تكتبن you write plural feminine. أكتب I write and نكتب we write dual and plural. And that's all today. I hope this lesson was useful. See you next lesson inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.